Today, students learn how to compare and order numbers. When we compare, we use one of three symbols, either the less than symbol, the greater than symbol, or the equal sign. Students are often presented their comparisons in horizontal format. So we have 4,623 and 4,263. So note that we often use the same digits, just in a different order. What I teach the students to do is to rewrite the problem. So they are to rewrite each of these numbers. So 4,623, and then write the second digit beneath it. So 4,263. So at this point, they can compare because we've lined up on the ones digit, but we start at the left end. We're comparing the thousands. There's no difference between the fours, so we cross them out. We move to the next place value. This is the hundreds place. We have a 6 and a 2. One of them is larger than the other. Students should be able to tell us that the 6 is larger than the 2. So we want the greater than symbol. If they think of the symbol as an alligator's mouth, it will always eat the larger number. So 6s are larger than 2s. And they should be able to read this as 4,623 is greater than 4,263. And I point out that this is greater than, T-H-A-N, not T-H-E-N. Than is the word that we want, or less than if it were the other symbol. Another problem that is in this realm is ordering numbers. And sometimes we order from greatest to least, as in this problem, and sometimes the problems are ordering from least to greatest. We perform this skill in the same manner as the last one. We rewrite all the numbers neatly. And as I point out to the students, I tend to leave space, a little bit of space between my numbers, because I know I'm working with them. And I want them lined up like so. And we use line paper in here to help keep everything in line so they're not writing on an angle or swooping or anything. All my digits are lined up on the places. Once again, I'm lined up on the ones place, but I start at the other end, and these would be the 10,000s. There's no difference between the fours, so I can't compare there. Move over to the 1,000s place. There's no difference between the threes, so I can't compare there. I move into the hundreds place, and here the 9 is larger than the threes. I don't know the order of all the numbers, but I do know that the 9 is going to be the largest number. So if I have to order from greatest to least, the first number, the greatest number, will be 43,932. And we use a semicolon to separate numbers because another comma would become confusing. So we use a semicolon. I now know this number is off the board. And we don't erase and draw heavily. We just put a line through it in case we need to come back to it. So again, there's two numbers left. I can't compare on the hundreds place, so I move over to the tens place. Here we have a 9 and a 2. The 9 is larger than the 2, so that number will be larger than the other. So it would be 43,392. It's the second largest number. And then the smallest number would be 43,329. So this skill is just like the last skill, just with three numbers. We're ordering here, we're comparing here. This skill is compare and order numbers.